Welcome to the Bentley Library Research Essentials tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll examine how to find information about a specific industry using library resources. We will use Microsoft as our example company to help us understand the many aspects of industry research. You can learn about a company's business by reviewing the company's annual report or a company profile. The description of their business, main products, and more will give you an idea as to what industry your company may operate in. However, you will need your company's North American Industry Classification System, or NAICS code, when conducting industry research. These codes organize and classify companies into specific industries, and you can use these codes when researching the industries. For more information on these codes, including how they work, view the Finding a NAICS Code tutorial. A company's NAICS code can be found by looking at a company profile. For example, if you are looking for Microsoft's NAICS code, you could use Mergent Intellect to find the primary industry code for your company. Microsoft's NAICS is Software Publishers 511210. Now that we have the industry code associated with Microsoft, we can begin searching for industry overviews. On the library's Databases A to Z page, use the Industry Research filter to find our databases that are best bets to search in for industry information. One of the best databases to begin searching for overviews of a particular industry is IBISWorld Industries and Markets. In IBISWorld, you can search using a company's name, which can help you find reports for multiple industries your company may operate in, but you can also search by a NAICS code to ensure that you are finding overviews of the primary industry you are interested in. Searching with the NAICS code, we find multiple relevant reports. We'll focus on the Software Publishing in the U.S. report. To piece together a complete picture of the industry, or if you are looking at a specific product of your company, you may want to take a look at other related reports. Use the navigation on the left of the page to access the different areas of analysis. For example, if you are looking for regulations that affect your company's industry, you would want to look under the operating conditions to find a subsection called Regulation and Policy, where government policies affecting the industry will be addressed. You should also explore the other areas of the report to become familiar with the industry, but especially the Industry at a Glance and Industry Outlook sections. Other industry databases, such as Plunkett Research Online and S&P Capital IQ Net Advantage, might have different and sometimes more in-depth analysis. Search all three to learn as much about your industry as possible from a variety of perspectives. We hope this tutorial has given you a useful starting place for tracking down information about an industry of interest. If you would like additional assistance or have any questions about your research, please contact us at the reference desk.